let y'all know that this video is gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna tell y'all up front. As I was recording it, like the camera, my battery kept going dead. I had to go outside and get a new battery. I had to go get a new battery. They were going dead. I was just like, okay, it is what it is. So I just wanted to show y'all the overall hair and give y'all my honest opinion on it. Because honestly, that's really what y'all be wanting, right? This hair did come from Amazon, and y'all, by the time I see this video, it will be Amazon Prime, so you definitely should go shop these wigs now. Why it's Amazon Prime Day, okay? Period. After I will have that link in my Amazon storefront, you do not have to buy from my link if you don't want to. And if you do, I appreciate you, best friend, because that's what we do around here. We support each other, okay? So, this wig is from Aliaurora. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I will have it on the screen. And so when you click on the link, you just find the name. It should be the first wig link. But the name should be on there. That's how you do it, okay? And this is the 613 lace front. It's 150% density. I must say that I think that this wig is definitely thicker than 150% density because it's so thick. Oh God. But then again, it may be because it's body wave hair. But y'all, when I tell you bomb, and it is 26 inches. So originally I was going to do some color with this hair, and then I was like, you know what? Let's do blonde, because my first blonde wig that I did not do it the right way. I didn't do the whole toning of the knots. I just basically put it on my head. I toned the wig, but I didn't do the whole process. So this time I did the whole process, and I wanted to see what it was going to give. And I must say that I am astounded. I love it. All of the hair did not bleed tone. So as you can see, like the ends of the hair is more white than the top. But I actually like it. Like it's super cute. And I keep looking in the mirror because I feel so beautiful. Like, I don't know. This wig was $144. And then I had a $9 coupon. So it came up to be $145.94 for 26 inches blonde hair that is of quality. As y'all know, I will tell y'all when some hair is not quality, this is really quality hair. So I definitely recommend you and go and get this. I am going to go in because now I have a new wig head for it and do a color on this. So this is going to be a double process wig, and I will do an update on it. But I'm telling you to grab it now while it's Amazon Prime. So if it's not quality, and y'all can just beat me up in the comments, aka the group chat. But if it is quality, then you're getting a steal, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to show it to y'all. I'm going to do like a super small tutorial because like I said, the camera keep getting cut off and everything like that. And I hope that y'all like it. If y'all don't, I apologize. Add me on Instagram because that's where I'm going to be posting pictures of this unit because like I said, it's so beautiful, so dainty, so pretty to me. And yeah, I love y'all, and I'll definitely see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay, girl, come on in here, because y'all already know, baby. I got to come with the word to talking, because that's what I do. Baby, I don't know about y'all, but that lady on that wig cap, baby, she started to scare me. Like, if you ever just look at how she smiled on the top of that wig cap, like, packed. Oh, my God. Anyways, y'all, your girl, let me tell you something. So, I done had this wig head for I don't know how long. And, baby, tell me why I just found out. Ooh, number phone ringing. Tell me why I just found out I can actually stick pins in it. Girl, get out of here. Was finna go buy another one and then find out that I can actually put pins in this wig cap. Girl, the phone wanted to keep going off. Oh my goodness. Anywho, you know how to put it on silent. Right here, let me tell y'all. So the first time I did this blonde unit thing, I literally did not know you supposed to bleach the knots or tone the knots on 613 hair. So, as y'all know, I'm going to keep it real, keep it fucking dealing with y'all because that's what I do. The camera, when I be in my zone, I really don't be trying to get all the angles. Being a YouTuber is really something. I don't, you know, people don't tell you that, but it really is something to record videos. So, I did mix the blonde, I did mix the brown in the conditioner, but I did put a little bit of purple shampoo in it, as you seen when I first applied it. You can see it over there in the corner. How I had a purple tint, so I had to go back in and kind of, you know, redo my concoction. So I'm just letting y'all know that I did have to do a little bit of extra stuff off the camera. So I use the Cinnamon Kiss Dye, the white conditioner, which I recommend you getting a thicker conditioner because I had a super conditioner from the $1.25 store, and I really, baby, it wasn't mess proof. And I put a little bit of purple shampoo in there to help bring out the color or whatever. So that's the shampoo that I use. Now y'all gonna see I use 3 different products to get this color. Y'all, my phone is going off, baby. Oh! Anyways, I use 3 different shampoos to get this color. I use the Shimmer Lights, I use the off-brand Sally Shimmer Lights, and then I use this blue shampoo that I got from Marshalls. So I'm going to let y'all know something right here, right now. Again, I tell y'all all the time, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I let y'all see what I think y'all need to see and not what I think you want to see. Because I'm going to tell you, it took me, okay? As y'all can see, baby, it's giving scalp right here, right? It took me about 35 minutes to get this color the way I wanted it to be. And it still did not come out right. And it is because, as y'all can see, I'm putting it in blue conditioner. And it did not, dissolve in the water. So as I'm washing the hair, the blue conditioner started to stick to the hair. And I started to panic because I'm like, what? I had started to feel like it was going to dye the hair. And baby, as you can see here, what it did is, at the top of the hair where the conditioner was sticking at the most, blue cancels out orange, but it brings out like a honey blonde, not like the purple. It makes it white. So y'all can see the different colors right here, as you can see, okay? Let me tell you something. Be careful. Don't say I didn't tell you. So, what you see me doing here is, baby, I don't care about the inches. I want my hair to look healthy. I want it to look good. I want it to look luxurious. Some people care about the inches, but I always tell you, anytime you get a wig, cut the ends off. At least 2 inches of the ends. It makes the hair look so much more expensive, okay? You can make a bad wig look good just by cutting the ends of the hair. I'm telling you what I know. But before I go in, and because this right here, y'all already know, just don't use blue shampoo in your when you lighten it, okay? That's what I was trying to let y'all know. Don't use the blue shampoo because it makes it look like a honey blonde. And if you're going for that white, you just need purple shampoo, okay? Just don't use the blue shampoo, okay? Period. So I'm just going in here, as y'all can see, apply my wig. This is what I always do, honey. I always do this, and I know it's kind of repetitive, but some people just find me. And if you just find me, hey, girl, hey. And if you been here, okay, girl, we get it. But this is what I do, baby. This is how I put this thing on my head. I did not do no plucking. I didn't do none of that because I just, in my head, I had this whole style that I was going to do. And I just felt like I ain't needing no plucking. But, if you want to sit back and pluck, you have at it, baby. But me right here, I'm not studying all that, okay? So, as y'all can see right here at the top, like I said, you can kind of see how the hair is like a different color blonde from the ends of the hair. And you can kind of see it at the root too. And it's because of that doggone blue shampoo. Why did y'all not tell me that? Why y'all didn't tell me? Trying to be all, itchy and everything like that. And then messed up my hair. But it actually did come out really cute. So, it is what it is. And then another thing, let me go and let y'all know, because y'all know I'm going to keep it real and keep it funkadelic. This wig was super good. I would definitely, if I need another blonde wig real fast, I would go grab this one because it was really thick. Okay? I did have to cut the ends, but I do that on all my wigs to make it look more thicker. So it's probably like a 24-inch now. But, y'all, baby, when I tell you she sheds, oh, girl, she sheds. Oh, yes, ma'am. She sheds like some curly hair. So if you do buy this wig, don't say I didn't tell you she do shed. And also, as y'all see, I don't know what part in the video, but up here where the bang at, baby, y'all see those flyaways? They are really bad. You can tame them, but they are really bad at the top. So just know that's my cons about this wig is it sheds and the flyaways like at the top or whatever. But other than that, baby, I definitely recommend. After I washed it and air dried it, baby, when I tell you honey, she still had a body wave, and that is good for some 13. So I had a whole style in my head. It was not coming out the way that I wanted it to. Like I said, I had the camera kept going dead. I was getting aggravated, agitated, and everything like that. So I was just like, baby, I'm just gonna do something. So as y'all can see how the camera just keep jumping parts, that's because, baby, at this point I was over it and myself. But when I started to see it come together, I was like, oh, baby, she cute. Yeah. Jaymonaebookings, you did that. You did that. The color actually did kind of come together. It's like honey blonde at the top, and then it goes down until there's, really white, icy white, baby. Yeah, I did that. Okay, so if you want this, you might need to use the blue shampoo. But I'm gonna tell you right now, please don't do it. And yeah, I wore this out yesterday. I got so many compliments. I feel like that girl, baby. I feel like a Barbie or whatever. You should definitely add me on Instagram because that's where I post. And girl, your girl is really going up on TikTok. Like, I was like, not trying to like me on TikTok or whatever, I be trying to compare myself, and then I be like, girl, you really got the sauce if you really look at it. Like, you really did that. So, follow me on TikTok. That's Jaymonaebookings. Everything you need to know is down below. And let me know in the group chat, aka the comments, like, how y'all feel about the blonde? Like, if we rocking with the blonde or not. Like, if you finna go get this for Amazon Prime, if you finna go get any of the wigs I review for Amazon Prime, it's a yes or no. If you not, okay. If you is, let me know. Because over here, we best friends, and that's what we do. So, I'll see y'all in the group chat. I love you, girl, and bye. Because your girl is looking good in the Barbie world.